Welcome to our guide on Streamline ACR Copper Press fittings. These fittings are ideal for HVAC applications up to a whopping 48 bars, ranging from 1/4 inches to 1 3/8. They ensure secure connections with copper tubes through several industry firsts. Remember, ACR Copper Press fittings should not be mixed with other brands. For any queries, our technical support is available. Ensure installation is done by trained professionals using approved tools for optimal performance and safety. ACR Copper Press fittings have multiple unique safety features, making them stand out from the crowd. 2 sealing rings on both ends, a trap zone in between, a D-ring that fits extremely tightly, as well as 3 independent mechanical connection points, making them a perfect choice for your projects. Before starting, gather necessary accessories like copper pipe, pipe cutter, deburrer, and sandpaper. Cut the pipe squarely and deburr it to remove sharp edges. Clean the pipe surface thoroughly to ensure a smooth and clean connection. Mark the correct insertion depth on the pipe using a depth gauge or tape measure. Check the fitting for cleanliness and intact sealing rings. Push the fitting onto the pipe completely, ensuring a tight fit for a secure connection. Use a pressing machine with a minimum force of 32 kilonewtons. Special ACR jaws are required. Please contact us if you need help. Position the pressing jaw correctly and start the pressing process. Check the connection for tightness using an ACR gauge to ensure no leaks. If you notice any damage on the pipe, cut it and restart the installation. Store fittings in sealed bags to prevent contamination. Maintain a minimum distance between fittings and avoid forcing pipe ends together. Align the pipe before pressing and avoid rotating fittings afterwards. Complete the pressing cycle without repeating it. Always only use jaws and slings with an ACR profile. Always follow national and local codes for installation and testing. Thank you for watching our guide on Streamline registered trademark ACR Copper Press fittings. We hope this information helps you achieve secure and efficient installations.